This is Trouble. She's listed as a 1-year-old spayed female, 6 pounds. She was surrendered when her owner died. Surrendered on the 8th of August. She's obviously scared and confused there, doesn't know what's going on. Oops, sorry. Poor thing. You're missing your owner. Poor Trouble. She's obviously no trouble at all. Don't let that name fool you.